to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Mitarashi Dango. Mitarashi Dango is small sticky rice cake balls with sweet soy sauce, and it's very easy to make. Let's get started. These are what you need. 200-gram dangoko, you can use mochiko instead. 1 tablespoon sugar, and for the sweet soy glaze, 4 tablespoons soy sauce, 6 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons potato starch or cornstarch. Let's make dango first. So let's put dangoko in a large bowl. 1 tablespoon sugar. And here I have 200 milliliter lukewarm water, and I'm going to add this into the bowl little by little as I need. I added 180 milliliter lukewarm water, and the texture is like an earlobe. Take the dough out on a cutting board and let's make it into long shape. Let's cut it in half, half again, and into 3. So that you can make 24 dango. Then, with your hand and roll it to make it into a small ball. Like this. All made into small ball shape, and now it's time to cook them. Prepare some boiling water and let's cook them. Gently stir so that they don't stick to the bottom of the pot. After dango start to float like this, cook for 3 minutes. Now these are cooked for 3 minutes, so I'm going to take them out into this ice water. Now, dango is cold, so let's take them out on kitchen paper to dry. Another kitchen paper on top to remove excess water. This is totally optional, but if you have, prepare some bamboo skewers and put the dango onto the skewers. I made 8 skewers with 3 dango on each, and it's time to give them nice golden brown color burn. Heat up non-stick skillet over medium heat and let's place them. This one looks good. This is the color you want to make. Let's flip them over. Both sides nicely brown, so dango is ready. Let's make the sweet soy glaze. 200 milliliter water in a small frying pan or saucepan. 4 tablespoons soy sauce. 6 tablespoons sugar. 2 tablespoons potato starch or cornstarch. And mix it well. Turn the heat on and cook it until it becomes clear, thick and glossy as you keep mixing. When it comes to boil like this, keep mixing and keep cooking for another 1 minute. Turn the heat off and sweet soy glaze is good to go. Put some dango skewers on a plate and let's put this sweet soy glaze on top of dango skewers. Plenty of it. Mitarashi Dango is ready to go. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!